What if a drone could wait silently for hours, think for itself, and strike with pinpoint accuracy at the perfect moment? Israel's Harop NG isn't just a drone, it's a game changer that's redefining modern warfare. Stay with us to discover how this system is shaping the future of military technology. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel today. We're diving into one of the most talked about military technologies of the modern era, Israel's Harop NG. When people think of drones, they often imagine remote-controlled aircraft flying high above the battlefield. But Harop NG represents something far more advanced. It is designed to loiter, observe, analyze, and act with exceptional precision, making it a standout system in today's defense landscape. This drone is not about speed alone or raw power. It's about intelligence, patience, and strategic impact. In recent years, conflicts around the world have shown how unmanned systems can change outcomes without deploying large numbers of troops. Harop NG fits perfectly into this shift. Developed with lessons learned from earlier systems, it blends surveillance, autonomous decision-making, and precision engagement into a single platform. In this video, we'll break down what Harop NG is, how it works, and why defense analysts consider it a major leap forward. Our goal is to explain everything in simple terms without hype, so you can clearly understand why this drone matters in modern military planning. Harop NG is an advanced loitering munition developed by Israel, often described as a kamikaze drone, but that term only tells part of the story. Unlike traditional missiles that follow a fixed path, Harop NG can stay airborne for extended periods, scanning a wide area before selecting a target. This ability to loiter gives commanders flexibility and real-time control over when and how the system is used. The NG stands for next generation, highlighting upgrades over earlier Harop variants. These improvements include better sensors, longer endurance, and enhanced resistance to electronic interference. Harop NG can be launched from land or sea-based platforms, making it adaptable to different operational environments. Once in the air, it operates quietly, reducing the chances of early detection. What truly sets Harop NG apart is its role as both a sensor and an effector. It doesn't just gather intelligence, it can act on that intelligence immediately. This reduces the time gap between detection and engagement, which is critical in fast-changing situations. As a result, Harop NG is seen as a tool that merges surveillance and precision action into a single, efficient system. The design of Harop NG reflects a focus on efficiency, stealth, and reliability. Its compact airframe allows for easy transport and rapid deployment, while its aerodynamic shape supports long-endurance flights. The drone uses advanced electro-optical and infrared sensors, enabling it to operate effectively both day and night. These sensors provide high-resolution imagery, helping operators clearly identify targets before making decisions. Harop NG is also equipped with sophisticated navigation systems that allow it to operate in complex environments. Even in areas with limited GPS access or electronic interference, the drone can maintain stable flight and accurate positioning. This makes it suitable for modern battlefields where electronic warfare is increasingly common. Another key technological feature is its autonomous capability. While human operators remain in control, Harop NG can perform many tasks independently, such as route planning and target tracking. This reduces operator workload and increases mission success rates. The combination of smart design, advanced sensors, and autonomous functions makes Harop NG a highly refined system built for modern defense needs. Harop NG's operational concept is built around flexibility and timing. After launch, the drone climbs to a designated altitude and begins its loitering phase. During this time, it continuously scans the area using its onboard sensors, transmitting live data back to operators. This real-time feed allows decision makers to assess the situation as it develops. If a suitable target is identified, Operators can choose to engage or continue observing. This man-in-the-loop approach ensures that human judgment remains central to the process. Once the decision is made, Harop NG transitions from observation to engagement mode, precisely guiding itself toward the selected target. What's important here is control. Harop NG missions can be aborted or redirected at any time before final engagement. This reduces the risk of unintended outcomes and allows for dynamic decision-making. The system's ability to wait patiently, sometimes for hours, gives it a strategic advantage over faster but less flexible weapons. In essence, Harop NG operates like a silent guardian in the sky, always ready but never rushed. One of the biggest advantages of Harop NG is its ability to neutralize high-value targets with minimal risk to personnel. By using an unmanned system, military forces can avoid exposing pilots or ground troops to danger. This aligns with modern defense strategies that prioritize force protection. Another advantage is cost effectiveness. Compared to deploying manned aircraft or large-scale operations, a system like Harop NG can achieve objectives with fewer resources. Its precision reduces the need for repeated strikes, while its endurance minimizes the number of assets required in the air. Harop NG also offers psychological and strategic impact. The knowledge that a system can be present overhead for long periods creates uncertainty for opposing forces. This can limit their movement and disrupt planning, even without direct engagement. Additionally, the drone's adaptability makes it useful across a wide range of scenarios, from border surveillance to high-intensity conflicts. Together, these advantages explain why Harop NG is considered a force multiplier rather than just another drone. Modern warfare is increasingly defined by information, speed, and precision. Harop NG fits seamlessly into this environment. Its ability to gather intelligence and act on it instantly shortens the decision cycle, often referred to as the kill chain. Shorter kill chains mean faster responses and greater operational efficiency. In network-centric warfare, systems like Harop NG can be integrated with other platforms, including satellites, radar systems, and command centers. This integration allows for coordinated operations where data flows smoothly between assets. Harop NG becomes part of a larger ecosystem rather than operating in isolation. Another important aspect is adaptability. Harop NG can support both defensive and offensive missions depending on requirements. Its presence can deter potential threats while providing commanders with real-time options. As warfare continues to evolve toward unmanned and semi-autonomous systems, Harop NG represents a clear example of how technology is reshaping military doctrine. When compared to traditional drones and missiles, Harop NG occupies a unique position. Conventional drones are mainly used for surveillance or limited strike missions, while missiles are designed for immediate engagement. Harop NG combines elements of both, offering observation and precision action in a single platform. Compared to earlier loitering munitions, Harop NG stands out due to its improved endurance, sensor quality, and electronic resilience. These upgrades make it more reliable in contested environments. While some systems rely heavily on external guidance, Harop NG's onboard intelligence allows it to operate more independently. This doesn't mean Harop NG replaces all other systems. Instead, it complements them. In scenarios where timing and confirmation are critical, Harop NG provides options that faster weapons cannot. Its balanced approach makes it a valuable addition rather than a direct competitor to existing technologies. Harop NG has attracted attention beyond Israel due to its proven concept and adaptability. Many countries are reassessing their defense strategies and looking for systems that offer flexibility without massive infrastructure investments. Loitering munitions like Harop NG meet these needs effectively. The system's impact extends beyond direct military use. It has influenced how defense planners think about unmanned operations, autonomy, and precision. Harop NG demonstrates that smaller, smarter systems can deliver significant strategic value. This shift is encouraging innovation and competition in the global defense industry. As more nations explore similar technologies, Harop NG serves as a benchmark. Its success highlights the importance of integrating intelligence, endurance, and control into a single platform. This global interest underscores why Harop NG is often described as a game changer rather than just an incremental upgrade. With advanced systems like Harop NG, ethical and operational questions naturally arise. One key issue is control. Harop NG is designed with human oversight, ensuring that critical decisions remain in human hands. This approach helps address concerns about fully autonomous weapons. Operationally, training and rules of engagement are crucial. Operators must understand both the system's capabilities and its limitations. Clear protocols help ensure responsible use and reduce the risk of errors. There's also the broader discussion about how such technologies shape future conflicts. While Harop NG offers precision and efficiency, it also raises questions about escalation and deterrence. Understanding these factors is essential for responsible deployment. Harop NG's design shows that advanced technology can be paired with thoughtful control measures, setting an example for future systems. Looking ahead, Harop NG represents a stepping stone toward even more advanced unmanned systems. Future upgrades may include improved sensors, longer endurance, and deeper integration with other platforms. These enhancements will further increase its strategic value. Harop NG also reflects a broader trend in defense. Quality over quantity. Instead of relying on large numbers of assets, modern forces are investing in smarter, more adaptable systems. Harop NG embodies this philosophy perfectly. In conclusion, Israel's Harop NG is more than just a drone. It's a symbol of how technology is redefining military strategy. By combining intelligence, patience, and precision, it offers capabilities that were unimaginable just a few decades ago. Understanding systems like Harop NG helps us better grasp where modern defense is headed and why the future of warfare will look very different from the past. If you found this breakdown insightful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. Let us know which military technology you want explained next.